So today we will be talking about table, matrix, slicer, filter, and cards. Okay. So let us begin with table. But first of all, we need a data set. Okay. So I'm going to this particular icon. I'm taking an Excel sheet. The same Zomato we can use for it. Okay. This one is okay. So we need to mark this checkbox only, then we can view the table as well as we can load the data set. Okay, so I'm going to load it. Yeah. Now this is our data set. Okay. So as I already told you, in this data set, you can see what are the types available. Okay. It's a bit different data set. I mean, I have done cleaning in different manners. So that's why the variables are a little bit different. Restaurant name, whether online order facilities available or not. Book table facilities available or not. What is the rating? What are the votes? What are the cuisines in those particular restaurants, and what is the cost? What type of resorts they are, and the location, that is city. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to make a table. Okay, this is the icon for the table. I'm not selecting that icon. Without selecting that icon also, I can make a table. So for that, you have to drag and drop a particular variable over here. Automatically, that table will get selected, and here you can see the table. So right now, I'm taking this location we can take. Okay, location means city. I'm putting the city in the values. Okay. And I'm taking this cost. Other variables, whichever I'm taking, are numerical variable, because I want to explain you conditional formatting also. Okay. Conditional formatting is applied on numerical columns. We can apply it on categorical columns also, but it will not be of any use. So I am taking all the numerical variables plus a categorical variable. Okay. So here you can see automatically this table got selected when we are putting this variables one by one, right? When I'm putting the first variable, then also that value is changed to columns. Okay. Once again, I will tell you, I'm deleting this particular thing. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking this city. Right now, what is written over here, values, right? When I will put city over here, you can see it changed to columns, and automatically table icon is getting selected, and here table is formed. Okay. So whenever you are creating a table, no need to select the table and put variables over there. Directly you can put the variables. Okay. So I'm taking the ratings, cost, and votes. Whatever variables you want, you can drag and drop it over here in columns. Okay. So this is how you can make a rough table. Right. Now, if you want to format it so that things are visible and it is more colorful and like that. So in that case, go to format, and here you can change the style of the entire table. For that, click on the style. Okay. It is by default style. You can choose any style that you like. You can use minimal. Okay. You can use bold header. Right. You can use alternating rows, or you can use any other thing like flashy rows. Any style that you like, you can choose it. Okay, so I am taking minimal only, the simplest one. Now here you can see the lines are very light in color, and that too horizontal lines are only there. There are no vertical lines in the table. Okay. So in that case, to alter it, go to grids. There in horizontal grid, you can change the color it to black so that it is more visible. Okay. And you can increase the width also. Width is okay. I'm not going to increase the width. Now vertical lines are not there because vertical grid lines are off. Okay. So I will keep it in on mode. Okay. Now light lines appeared. Gray colored lines have appeared. I can change the color also. I'm going to make it as black. Okay. Now the lines are clearly visible. Now if you want to put some borders in this particular table, go to borders. Okay. There, whichever border like top, bottom, left, right is required, it will come. If you want to change the color, that also you can do, but blue color is good, looking good. So I'm keeping it as it is. If you want to increase the width, that also is possible. Okay. Yeah. So any other thing like if you want to do row padding or anything, if you want to increase the font size entirely, okay. If you want to increase the font size like this, that also you can do. Okay. It will increase entire size together. Whether it is a column header, values, total, everything, it will increase together. So now it is looking. Now the values are visible to you, right? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see in values automatically 14 appeared because global font size what I have taken is 14. In column headers also it is 14. If you want to increase the size, you can do that. In total also it is 14 because global size is 14. Okay. So if you want to increase it more, that also can be done like this. Okay. Right. Now the one of the most important thing that I'm going to tell you. Okay. Select the table. Okay. There you can see different columns. I'm applying conditional formatting on the numerical columns. Okay. Ratings, cost, and votes. So you have to right click over the column. Okay. Whichever column you want, you have to right click over it. Then there is an option called conditional formatting. Now you can change the background color depending upon the values in the cells. Okay. I will tell you, choose this background color, and whichever value is high, you can represent it by dark blue color, and low value can be represented by light blue color. Okay. I will show you how. See, this value is higher than others. So it is dark blue in color, and you can see the shade. Okay. If you want, you can change the color also. Okay. Right now I'm going again into it, and let us take the background color and we can change the color over here. So I will be taking some another color like if you want like pink color or violet color is okay. Violet color. I'll take this violet color and gray color. Okay. And I can add some middle color also. Okay. So I will add a middle color that is blue. Okay. Whichever value is highest will be shown by this violet color. Middle value will be shown by blue color, and low values will be shown by gray color background. Okay. So when I will click OK, you can see the change in the column. Okay. Now they are randomly arranged. Okay. And in this column, you can see here there is an inverted triangle. It look like a drop down. Okay. When you will click on this drop down, you can see it is arranged in a perfect order. Like highest value is at the top and lowest value is at the bottom. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So since rating is always taken in average, I will take average itself. Okay. Now when I will arrange it properly, I will try to arrange it properly right now. So when you will click on it again, the order will get changed. Okay. Since I have applied it on the rating, that's why the color is getting changed. When I will take sum again, okay, and I will choose this drop down. Now you can see it is perfectly arranged. Okay. So actually what is happening is highest value is at the top and lowest value is at the bottom. And when I'm again choosing this drop down, you can see the reverse order. In the reverse order, it is arranged. Lowest value is at the top and highest value is at the bottom. So this is what is called conditional formatting. Okay. Now I'm choosing another conditional formatting. In the cost column, I will right click and I will choose the conditional formatting. And here I am choosing font color. Okay, when I will choose font color, there also the same color pattern is there. I can change this color pattern, like I will take red color for highest value and I will add a middle color. That too, I will take it as violet color or any other color okay, this color I will take. And the lowest value, I will show it by any other color. Let us see. Okay. So you can see the font's color is being changed. Okay. When I will try to arrange it in a proper order by clicking this drop down, you can see now it is in a pattern. Highest value is shown by this red color, middle value by green color, and amber color for the lowest value. Right. Again, when I'm clicking this particular drop down, you can see it is arranged in reverse order. Okay. Lowest value is at the top and highest value is at the bottom.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the use of this?
By seeing the table itself, you will be able to understand that which value is the highest. Like if you want to understand that which particular, this location is having the highest cost. By seeing the table itself, you will be able to understand the correct value. Okay. Is it clear?
Ma'am, but we can understand through the graphs also, right?
Yeah, the
Yes,
same thing
ma'am.
we can understand through different things. This is one way of understanding it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. And in case of this last column, I will take another conditional formatting. Okay. And here I will take data bars. So whichever positive values are there, it will be shown by blue color and negative value will be shown by light blue color. If you want to change the color, same way you can do it. I will take gray color. Yeah, this gray color I will take. Since there are no negative values, everything will be in this color, but depending upon the value in the cell, the bar size will change. The length of bar will change. Okay. And I will click on OK. You can see bar is appearing over here. Okay. Whichever value is big in size. Okay. Whichever value is higher one, it will be shown by long data bar. Okay. Now I will arrange it with the drop down. You can see now it is properly arranged. Okay. So, and we can use some more conditional formatting also. Like in cost, I will use one more conditional formatting like icons is there. Okay. Different styles are available. Like this, in this style, this particular icon will show you 0 to 33% of the total. And this particular icon will show you 33 to 67% of the total. And this green circle will show you 67 to 100% of the total. Okay. So whichever higher values are there, it will be shown by this green color. When I will click on OK, you can see how it is arranged, right? These values are higher, comes under 6700 to 67%. That's why it is shown by this circle, right? We can change the color also, like, icon also. We can go to this cost and you choose the conditional formatting again in icons. By default, this is the icon, right? I can choose any other icon also, like this icon I can choose. Okay. Accordingly, things will change. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Table
Yes,
is
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us make a matrix also. Okay. I will take a new page or in this page itself, we can do it. Okay. I will take a page. I will minimize this. Okay. And I will take a, this is our matrix. Before that, all of you, please tell me, what do you understand by a matrix?
Matrix is nothing but an array.
Order of anything like 2 into
Yeah.
3, 4 into 5.
It is a combination of rows and columns also, you can see. Okay. So I will choose this matrix option. There you can see what are things available, rows, columns, and values. So whichever row variable you want to put, you can put it over here, and column variable, column variables, entities, features will come over here, and whatever values that you are assigning, that will fill this entire thing. Okay, I will show you how one by one. We will take this online order in rows and this book table in columns. Okay. Online order in rows means this no and yes corresponds to online order, and this no and yes corresponds to book table. Okay. Now, if you want to understand what is the rating, okay, I will put this rating in values, right? Now I will change this rating to average because usually we will take average only, right? And I will increase its size also. Okay, let us go to this particular thing, and we can change the style also. I will take the same minimal, and if you want to put some grids as we did in case of table, that also can be done like this. Okay, and let us put some borders. Okay, right, and that's it. And case of option, I will increase the global size right now. Okay, now it is clearly visible, everyone, right? What is the matrix?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I will tell you, see, when online order is a no and book table is also no, that means both facilities are not there. Then what are you getting? 3.55. It is the highest rating. Sorry, it is the lowest rating, you can say. When both facilities are not there, rating is very low. And when both facilities are there, comparatively it is high, right? Is it clear, everyone? You have to map it like this. When online order facility is there, okay, that corresponds to this entire row. And when book table online order facility is there, that means this row. And when book table facility is there, that means this column. Okay, both are getting coincided over which particular cell? This cell. That means when both facilities are there, then rating is quite high. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that is
Yes,
how you
ma'am.
can check. And actually this 3.66 is the average of this value and this value. The average of this two is 3.6. Average of this two is 3.72. And average of this two is 3.62. Average of this two is 4.14. And this 3.70 is the net average of the entire data set. Is it clear to all of you? What do you understand by this matrix? Right? It gives you an insight that if both facilities are not there, then our restaurant is not going to get better rating, right? This clear, right, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yes. So that is how you can use matrix. Okay. And let us make a pie chart also. Okay. Then I will tell you about filters and slices. Okay, so here I'm going to put this rest type in legend, and cost we can take in values. Okay, or any other variable like rating we can take. Rating we will take over here, and we will take average of it. And we can see that this is the rating. Pups and bars is having the highest average rating. Okay, they are almost close to each other. So this is the pie chart. You can make it as donut chart also. Okay. Now I will tell you about filters. Okay. If you want to apply filter on a particular visual, like this visual I am taking. Okay. Now it is having what variables? Average, rating, and rest type. Okay. So in rest type, in basic filtering, you can see different options are there, like pubs and bars, green, everything is there, drink, nightlife, okay, whatever. If you want only these two options, you can select it like this. You can filter out it. Okay. So this is what is called filter. You can apply it on a visual, on entire page or multiple pages also. Okay. See, there are two options. When I'm not selecting any of the visual, only two options are there. Apply filter on this page. Okay, then you can put some variable over here and you can filter it. Right? Before filtering, I want to tell you about cards also. Filtering, I will tell you once again. Let us take the cards. Okay, so this is what is called card. Right? I'll put it in the top. Okay. So this cards will tell you some values. Like in case of rating, when I'm putting this rating over fields, it is showing me the total rating. I will make it as average. Okay. So it is showing me 3.70 that we got in the matrix. What is the average rating that it is showing over here? It is the average rating of the entire data set. Okay. Now I will take one more card. Okay. Now I will take cost over there. Total cost we can see 25 million. Okay. Right. Now, this is all about this numerical columns. Okay. Now I'm going to take a card on which I can apply categorical column. Okay. So I'll be taking this rest type over fields. Okay. It is showing me the first restaurant type. That means alphabetically, which is first in number. Okay. See, when I'm going to rest type, this is the first type and this is the last type. Okay. It is not that much important. Okay. If you want last type, you can go to this particular thing, right click over it. You can, by default, it is first. First is being checked. Okay. You can choose the last. Then it is showing pubs and bars because alphabetically it was the last one. Okay. And what we actually want is count of distinct, that how many types of restaurants are there. 7 types of restaurants are there. So you can take count over there. Is it clear, everyone? What do you understand by cards? It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can
Okay.
we change this one?
Your voice is not audible. Can you please speak little loud?
Can we change the title like not title?
Can we change the?
This one, the count of rest type is there, no?
Please speak little bit loud. I'm not able to listen it.
Ma'am, I will type.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we use card as a filter?
Card as a filter.
Yes.
Filter, slicer and filters are also there. That will affect the entire card also. That I will tell you.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, I want to ask that from the from the selection of card, can we filter or can we make any condition to show to change the entire dashboard?
In format, conditional formatting is there. There, I think you can apply some functions. I have not tried it yet.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, when you will apply some slicer or filter, it will affect everything. That I will tell you. Regarding this single card, I will check out that thing. Okay. Already filter and slicer is there. Okay. So we will take this, see, when I'm choosing this particular thing. Now, this filter on this usually is appearing. When I'm not choosing it, only I can apply filter on the page and all pages. All pages means if I'm taking one more page, okay. And if I'm taking this map and if I'm putting this city over location and
Hello, ma'am.
yes,
I have mentioned something in chat.
count of rest type is there, right? We can change it to what we wish in the cards. Like what you want, we will check out that thing. Okay, once again, I will take it. This one, right? What you want to take?
Yes,
Anything
ma'am.
else?
Yes, ma'am. If we want to change the name of this one text.
Yes, that is possible. That is possible. You have to go to format. Okay. And there in title is off. Wait a second. This is category label, right? Category label, you can put it on. Display. I don't remember actually where it was. Wait a second, I will check out. Oh, actually, that is coming over there. We can
Ma'am, what if
change
we
it.
change the whole column name itself?
Title. Actually, the option is not there to change it.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I'm saying what if we change the column name itself? Then
Column
I
name,
think it
then
might.
everything will get changed. If this is your thing, okay. And
Ma'am, we can do one thing. We can enable the category level, then we can enable the title. Then we write the title, then it shows at the card.
category label and title where?
It's click on it,
Oh,
it off.
then
Then
on.
go to title.
Only
No,
fonts
no,
you can change.
no.
Then,
Off it, ma'am. Please
okay,
off the category
okay.
level. Then go to title. In general tab,
Okay,
go
general
to
tab,
title.
title. Yes.
Then right here that what we have to
It will appear
like.
here actually. It will appear here.
Then we
That
can
thing we
yes.
can do. Correct, correct. That is one way of doing it. Like if you want number of track. Yeah. But it is totally different thing. Okay. And we can change the alignment also like this. We can change the color also.
This is what I asked.
Yes, yes. This is one way of doing it. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
his card is used for displaying only a single value.
Yeah, only single value.
Okay.
You can put some conditions also, like in format actually. There is one option. This is actually what is called conditional formatting. You can use this one too. The conditional
There's
formatting.
another. There's also an option of showing multiple values in in card, I believe.
Can you please tell me how?
Just next to the card icon only. Yeah, here.
That is multiple card option.
Yeah,
This one, yeah.
multi-row card is there, correct. Okay. Yes, it is working like this. So together we can represent it like this. Okay, actually I am also new to the software. So I am also learning from you. Thank you for that.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, so right now what we are going to do is we will apply filters on this particular visuals to check out different what is the difference appearing over there. Okay, so I will choose delivery and cafe. So it is showing me this thing. Okay, and if I'm putting desserts also, so whichever things, this is actually basic filtering. We can take top and filtering also. Okay, top pen. And here we have to put how many we want. Okay, suppose I'm taking top 3 and based on which variable we want to filter it. So I will take rating itself, and if I'm putting it over here, I'll take a average of it. Okay. And I will apply filter. So it will show me top 3 restaurants based on the rating, which are having the highest rating. So this is how we can use some filters like top and filter. Advanced filtering is also there. Okay. In case of advanced filtering, you can use some conditions like contains, not contains, blank, whatever things are there, you can use it. Okay. Or starts with a particular thing, whether if it is not empty, those conditions you can use. Okay. So this was regarding the filters. Okay. Now I will change it. Go to basic one itself. Okay. There is a bottom also. If you want bottom 3, that also is possible. Okay. The same rating I am using it over here. Now we will take average. And we will apply the filter. Now things will change. Okay. So this is how we can apply filter over it. Okay. And if you want to apply filter on the entire page, in that case, I will close this one right now. Okay. Yes. So we will, if we want to apply filter on the entire page. So in that case, I will choose any other things like we can use book table over here. Okay. And if I'm choosing no, everything will change. Okay. Similarly, we can apply it on the next pages. I mean, all pages also. Okay. And I'm choosing yes, cards and values and every visual is getting changed. Okay. Like this.
Can we use slicer visualization?
Yes, slicer is also, slicer is a dynamic filter, we can say. Okay. And right now I'm choosing the slicer. And if I'm using the same variable over here, okay. And here, if I'm choosing no, then in slicer, only no will come. Okay, because they are same only. And the entire thing is also changing. And if I'm choosing yes, only yes will come over here. Right? But if I'm choosing contradictory things, like here I have chosen yes, okay? And here I have chosen no. So everything is getting contradictory. So that's why everything went black, because such pro doesn't exist. Right? So this is the proof
Yes.
that how they are same only, slicer and filter. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So that was regarding the filter, card, slicers, table, and matrices. Any doubts that you're having, you can ask. So shall I wind up the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so
Yes, ma'am.
much.
No doubts.
Okay, thank you so much, all of you. Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome, all of you. Actually, thank you to you too, because I'm also a beginner. So all of you, thank you so much for sharing your knowledge. Okay, bye.